INTZ stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this from in the video till the end to find out. As I'm just observing and looking at Intrusion, I'm actually a big fan, 6% up, and I do genuinely believe that this can be nice, but seems like we broke the supply zone. So because we were in supply, and if there was some sort of a double break, I was going to take it down. I mean, this went for a very good way down and then shifted, which in this case, you left me with a 0R. That being said, I mean, after this shift, I'm definitely changing my whole bias on this, because one, this can be a start of something huge, and we definitely see some power behind it. They definitely see some greenery behind this. And the only thing that I'm at least looking to do myself here is buy as long as the price actually makes sense, right? Because I've done 41,000 videos over 5 years. I have my rules, set up. So in this particular instance, if I don't see it pulling down a bit and doesn't give me any sort of confirmation or whatever, I'm not going to be looking to buy. And with all that to say, it's my confirmation point here. If you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.